Back in 2022, there was a surge of people, specifically from Venezuela, coming to the southern border to seek asylum or entry for whatever reason, and their initial paperwork that they needed to fill out at the border was really complicated. So they were kind of holding up the line. And so much that the entire border was starting to back up. So the Biden administration came up with a plan. They said, "Hey, guys, if you know you're coming, get in touch with us in advance, send us some of your paperwork ahead of time, we'll vet you in advance, and parole you when you get here because we know you're coming. We'll fast track you through the line, and then we'll deal with the rest of your application once we have you on the other side." And the program actually worked pretty well. The line started to speed up, the waits at the border shrunk, things got better. So the administration looked at a few other countries that were also gumming up the border a bit and added Cuba and Nicaragua and Haiti to the program, and it worked. But in October of 2024, they'd caught up enough. So the Biden administration ended the program, which did not mean that everyone lost their 2-year status, but no one new got it anymore. But the key here is that the primary beneficiary of CHNV was the public, not the people who were getting paroled. It was the people who benefited from the customs lines being faster. So when the Trump administration came in, they decided to revoke parole for the people who were still protected under those remaining 2 years of CHNV. And they did the same thing, or at least tried to, with TPS. And basically the courts have said no to revoking TPS, but yes to revoking parole. So why is that? Well, TPS was created by Congress to protect the grantees, give them some stability for this period of time. That was the purpose of the law. So you can't take away that stability without violating the law. But on Friday, the First Circuit said that you can take away parole status.